Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to JREAMERS. We're going to check out Aespa Richman. My God, it was basically a movie for the teaser itself. Not the teaser, but like the short film. Be sure to check out the Patreon if you haven't already. Link in the description. You could become a free member, or you can support your boy for $1. We be checking out movies over there. They could do live streaming over there too, so I might be live streaming some stuff. Ian, let's get it. Okay, press.
My mom said to me,
What your mom say?
"Someone who can give you everything." And I said, "Mom, I already have everything.
Yeah.
I am a rich man.
Oh.
I am a rich man.
Okay.
I am a rich man. I'm a care of myself. I am a rich man. I care of myself. I am a rich man.
Okay.
I'm my own big spend and a high end man. I am a
Hold up.
I am a rich man. I'm my own big spend and a high end man.
High in the
I am
man?
a rich man. Don't care about what they say.
That was crazy, actually.
Oh,
that was cold.
My name is, where my name is. I am a rich man. That's me, not a reckless.
Ooh.
She
playing football?
Damn.
Literally looks like a press conference for like a sport. Damn, she's starving. Oh, girl. Got me feeling. What the hell was that? A dog in a... Okay, anyways, never mind. I'ma carry myself. It's crazy. I love that. Ooh, what the hell? Oh, she carrying the car? Ooh. I am what I am. I'm a rich man. What the hell? Ah, these edits are interesting. Shit crazy. Ooh. Bro, she is flying. They all are, to be honest. What in the Mad Max, like, sports? What? Roller coaster? What the hell? Okay, farm life. Oh, what's that? She working. I'm a care of myself. Hey. You don't need a man. She is the rich man. Oh, that was a fire. Ooh. That's fire. I like that edit. Ooh. Oh. Fourth quarter start? Hey. What'd it say? Oh. Get it? What you do? What you doing? She's carrying herself. I am a rich man. Bruh, this is so chaotic. A lot of constant moving, my gosh. What?
I am a rich man.
Oof, man. Giselle looking fine as ever. Karina, Winter, Ning Ning.
I am a rich man.
Look at them. The LV scarf. Okay. The bandana. They look so good. Hold on. Oh my God. I think that outfit's like one of my favorites.
I am a rich man.
Like the spike hat. Oh, I can't pause it. It's okay. The freaking nails too.
I am a rich man.
Put a comment down below what you guys think of Aespa Richman. It's your boy JRE. Be sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to your boy. Patreon in the description down below if you want more content that's like, you know, movies. We checked out K-pop Demon Hunters, of course. XO Kitty's coming out again soon. I already checked out the previous seasons. It's been a fun one for that one. Squid Games and a lot more over there. Anime as well too. And yeah, I'll see you guys till next time, whether it be on Twitch, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Patreon. Bro, I'm everywhere. Come on, follow me. Link in the description. All right, y'all. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to XO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.